Hi viewers, it's a pleasure being with you and I hope you all are watching all my programs. I'm going to do muffins, fruit muffins, something different to the normal preparation. So keep watching what I'm going to do now. First thing is I'm going to take the butter 90 grams and melt it. Now what I'm going to do is I will put the sugar 90 grams, 1 egg, and I'm going to start beating. Now butter has melted, sugar and the egg I have beaten a little. Now I will put the flour 90 grams. Today we are going to do fruit muffins, 90 grams of flour, a bit of salt, and I need baking powder. Little by little I will add the butter. I need a tablespoon of milk. Tablespoon of milk. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add all the fruits into this. I added the pumpkin seeds, cashew nuts, sultanas raisins, cherries, 2 different colors, red and green. Mix it nicely. A teaspoon of coffee. A teaspoon of coffee. All that we have added, mix it nicely. I didn't add the essence yet, so we will add the vanilla essence. I have buttered it, put oil paper and nicely butter it, and we will put the mixture now into the muffin tray. So now what we will do is clean this a little. We are going to bake this. So we will bake it and take 25 minutes. For 25 minutes I will bake this. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. We will bake this and take. Fruit muffins are ready. You can see the fruit muffins, how it looks like. As it is, we can serve. We don't have to worry about anything. We can serve like this. It's a small decoration which I am going to do for you. Bit of yummy thing. As I was telling, it's so yummy and it's so nice and tasty, and of course you can serve this for a birthday party time or occasional function or something when you are having, but you don't have to make a cake and serve. You can have it like this and give them. It's so nice, and you don't have to decorate also. If you like, you can decorate it. If you want, you can have a nice decoration on this and serve it. And of course it's something nice and delicious, I would say. The muffins, the fruit muffin itself is very nice. Enjoy yourself, and I will see you soon with another episode, and hope you will wait for it till I do the next one.